In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to stop Shopify emails from going to junk. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you a very simple method to make sure that all emails that you receive from Shopify, either through their automated email service or any customer related emails, don't go to your junk folder or the spam folder. To make sure that all emails from Shopify are whitelisted, I recommend that you create a filter on your email service provider. So instead of doing this on Shopify, go over to your preferred email service. As you can see, I am using Gmail, but you can also do this on other email service providers like Outlook. In this video, I'm going to showcase it on Gmail, but like I said, choose whichever one you prefer. In here, use the search function and look for Shopify. So on Gmail, you will be able to look for Shopify. Now, you will then be able to click on the settings icon, and then you can enter more details about Shopify. However, you don't have to do this. As long as you include the word Shopify under the category has the words, you can go ahead and create a filter. Now, what this is doing is any emails that include the word Shopify will fall under this filter. And all that you have to do now is make sure that all emails under this filter are never sent to spam. So make sure that this box here is ticked. You can also give them a star, so every single email that you receive regarding Shopify will have a star, and you can even apply a custom label. Let's say, for example, check later or spot Shopify, whatever. Just choose a label that's easy to remember. And as long as you make sure that they are never sent to spam, always marked as important or starred, they will be filtered under this specific category here, and then you will never lose track of your Shopify emails. So once this is done, all future emails that you receive from Shopify will be properly saved and they will never go to the junk folder. I hope I was able to help you on how to stop Shopify emails from going to junk. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.